Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we are doing a rear torque mount, bottom gearbox mount, bottom engine mount, rear engine mount, whatever you want to call it. Dog bone mount, there's a million names for it, but there you go. It's just a OE one, it's not upgraded yet because I wanted the other three polybushed at the same time. But anyway, now that we've got the stage one on it, I think this the one that's on at the news bad. I think it's the original one, so get it changed, see how it is. Here we go, there's your torque mount. You've got bolt, well there should be a bolt there, bolt, I'll fix that, I'll stick a bolt on that. So first I'm going to take this bad boy off up here. Next one, I'm going to go for that one there. They're all 13 mil socket bolts, by the way. Oh, not got enough torque on that wee one. There we go. Absolutely no problem with that big in it. Got a new Halfords Advanced set. If you don't go, if you're obviously like me and you're not an actual mechanic, they are so good. They're not as good as mechanic tools, but they're much better than like your DIY shite. Honestly, look at the quality. If you watch my other videos, you've seen it. I borrowed this set off a Ukrainian man to do my engine swap, and oh, it's the best tool I've ever used. Right guys, I've just this thing here, the bit that holds the kind of bit of the mount to the cat, is somebody snapped a bolt in there, so it's snapped in. So I've just undone it there with quite a lot of force, but I'm just done a wee makeshift one to show you. You know, there should be two bolts on there and a washer and a nut. I've not got a nut, but yeah, a washer, but I've got a flanged nut, so that'll do. So once you undo that, right, once you undo that, it will fall off, right? So there's your wee hat away, and then where's my pry bar? It's here, right? Okay. There we go. See, you get that wee bit off. Don't think it was supposed to be that hard, but obviously snap the thing with sticking the cat. Right, anyway, now we can get back to these ones. So 1, 2, and then we get these ones off here. Get them, actually give them a wee clean before we go for it. Rightio, go for this one first. It's handy here, off 13 mil. Oh, there you go. Sockets. There she goes. Right guys, so once I take that out, it's going to fall out like that, and then just get one more to go and we're good. Good to go. There we go guys, there's your engine. Empty. What we'll do is we'll go for a wee comparison. So there you're there guys, old and new, slightly different. Same sizes, I've just checked though because they look a bit different. Same sizes everywhere where it matters. So this is the original Ford unit. If you can see there, don't know if you can see that, it's got the blue oval there, or rather there's the oval. And it does say 5214. So I would imagine that that's 2014, because that's what the car is, 2014. So it looks like it's not been changed in 11 years, 14, aye, 11 years, nearly 12. So aye, let's get that going and get the new one in, give your bolts a wee a wee clean. And we'll drop it in. Right, don't want to tighten it too much. And then I'll go for the biggie. Where is it? Again, clean that. Right guys, putting that cat bracket back on. Right, so you've got to kind of, that's a weird one, you've got to kind of force it in, I don't know. Little head, hat, whatever they're called. We gave them a wee clean earlier, didn't we? So stick them back on. So guys, for what I can see on the interweb, 52 foot-pounds, 42 foot-pounds I think, and then 25 foot-pounds for that one up there. So 42. Right, I can't get my torque wrench in and I can't be arsed going for the extension, so the one that holds it to the cat will just have to be guessed. So let's get above and we'll see how it drives. So guys, just leaving the unit now. Gonna see if I can explain to you how it was. Before, it wasn't, the mount hadn't failed before, so it wasn't like, you know, catastrophic. You just feel a wee bit of play, fluid movement in the engine back and forth. So here we go, we're at around about the now where I'm going to have to go in first. This is perfect. Right, so there we go, and steady, getting some, I don't know, hesitation, not even hesitation, you know, clank back and forth. A wee weight transfer, you can feel it, can't you? I don't know, I'm over explaining this. I'm doing a very good job. You can feel it. You can't feel it now. It's eradicated now. That tiny wee bit of play is just gone, which is perfect. That's exactly what we hoped for. Right, just sitting waiting for the motor to cool down a bit after that drive home. Again, like I say, it's not a big difference. It's no glamorous today. This is just general little stuff, annoying niggles. But the mount hadn't failed before, so it wasn't terrible. But you could feel the play. Now you can't feel the play. It's great. I would like to do. We're going to do all 3 engine mounts, you know, 2 engine, you know, gearbox mount. Very soon, you know, polyurethane, we'll get them for Powerflex, because did them on the ST150 and they were fantastic, absolutely fantastic. A bit more vibration, but it was totally worth it. Speaking of ST150, I know people like that content, I love making it too, but this one I'm being excited with the Mark 7, so get back to Mark 6 content soon, and we'll start going Mark 7, Mark 6, Mark 7, Mark 6, you know, every alternating every week. So guys, thanks very much for watching. If you want to go and watch some Mark 6 stuff, you can watch that up here. Otherwise, I'll see you next week guys. Thanks for watching.